welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a massive, or at least attempt to declutter some of my coffee mugs. I have so many, let me show you, and I just love them all. They all have like a special place in my cupboard, just because some of them have been gifts, some of them they're just too cute, but I have way too many. And not only that, but you know, fall and Christmas, the next 6 months, it's coming, and I have already been eyeing a couple mugs that I want to get, and I refuse to purchase anymore. I need to donate some of them and just, you know, use the ones that I regularly use instead of just having a bunch that are just stored. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll start right away. Alright you guys, so this is some of my mug collection. This is actually most of it. Some of it it's still there, but it's because it's the Halloween and Christmas one. I'll show you them in a little bit, but I want to start by saying that at least 75 to 80% of all of my mugs I use very frequently. Every morning when I come down to my coffee station, I grab a different mug, and that's one of my morning rituals and of something that I look forward to, just like for coffee, just grabbing a mug, seeing which one I prefer that day. But let's start right away. So right away, I know I'm not going to be getting rid of this one. This one is a Starbucks one. It's a mermaid and it has some gold detailing, and I really do use this one a lot. This one is my husband's and he never uses this one, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. And then this one is my daughter's mug. She never uses it either. It's a Lilo and Stitch, so I will get rid of this one. This one I don't use that often just because it's a humongous mug. I think it's meant for like cereal or soup, so I think I'm going to place it in my bowl cabinet. And then over here, Mrs. Always Right. I do not use this one, so that's that. This one I really do like, but I don't really use it that much. And it has a chip over here, so I will be also donating this one. Mom's the Boss. I love this one. My daughter's got it for me for Mother's Day, so we'll keep that one. This one is also one of my favorites, and it's one of my recent buys. I think I bought it like in February. It has a little parrot. It says hello beautiful or hola bonita, and it's so cute. I love it. This one says world's best dad. Another one of my husband's mugs, and I don't want him to think that I'm getting rid of all of his. So, I mean, he barely has any mugs. He probably has like 4. I'll just keep this one for him. And then over here I have another Starbucks mug, and this one is from Arizona, and I love it. My sister gifted me this one, so I will keep that one. Let's move over here now. This one I really do use. It's another travel mug, and I love it with the cactuses. This one, I really do like it. It looks like, I don't know what it's called, but like it looks kind of like a dress to me, and it has some golden details too. This one I love too, it's so cute. And then this one I use a lot during the fall. It's a sweater weather and pumpkin spice. It's so beautiful. This one is another one of my husband's mugs, and literally it just needs to go. So I will put it right there. These ones I just purchased, so I will keep this ones. I love this one, so pretty. This one over here I will probably give away. It says 7 words for a happy marriage. Yes dear, I'm sorry and you were right. And then it says happy life, happy wife. I mean, it's a cute mug, but I don't really use it, so we will put it in the giveaway pile. Okay, over here I really like this one. It's so cute, but I don't really use it either, you guys. The lid, it doesn't matter how hard I scrub, like it gets like this white residue, and I think I'm just gonna put it in the donate pile. This one I love, all of the iridescent colors. It's a mermaid tail. This one, happy, I will keep. This one, it says mom, and mom have an app for everything. Moms have an app for everything. I don't really like it. Then this one over here, it says love, and it's kind of like already not in good condition, so I will give this one away. And this one is so cute too. I got it as a Valentine's Day present for my daughters. It had a little stuffy over here, so I will keep it. This one I don't really use also. It's a travel mug, so I will be gifting or donating that one. And then this one I use a lot. It says Mamacita, and I love the palm leaves and the golden detailing. This one I absolutely love too is the Wonder Woman. This one, of course, I love it. This Christmassy one, it's cute, but I don't know if I'm gonna be using it that much, because I literally just use like this one, and this one a lot. So I don't know, it's like a maybe for Christmas. It's actually kind of cute. It looks kind of like a sweater thing, but it's not. It's plastic. I probably will keep it, to be honest. All right, so let's go to this side now. This one is so cute too. I love it for fall. This one is another like big mug, and I don't use it, but I really do like it, so I'll keep it and start using it more. This one, I love the color, you guys. It's so cute, but I don't really use it either, so I'm probably gonna donate it. This one over here, it's a swan. I love this one. A Starbucks mug. It's actually kind of big. I don't know if it had a lid, to be honest, but I don't really use this one either. So those two goes to the donating pile. Morning pumpkin. I love this one. And then I don't sweat, I sparkle. I think I got this one from a friend. And then I love this one. It's like a hammered type of look. It's so beautiful, and I do use this one a lot. Mug life, that should be my theme over here. And then this one, it's so beautiful too, but I don't really use it. It's another like big mug, and it has like I don't remember how this flower is. It's like a tropical flower, birds of paradise, I think, and it says hustle. It's so pretty, but I don't know. This is a maybe too. Let me put this ones over here, because I'm not gonna keep those. And then this one is another Wonder Woman, and I do use this one a lot. I have no idea what type of animal this is. I think it is a hedgehog, and it's so cute. And then this one says Morning Handsome, and this one I will keep. It's my husband's. And then this one, it says I don't cook. I don't have to cook or clean. I'm a trophy wife. What I really like about this one is the drawing. I think it's so beautiful. And I think I already showed this one. This one, I got it from my daughters too for Easter, so I will keep this one. This one Chloe made for herself, and she never uses it, so I don't know, I'll just put it over here. This one came with, well, it didn't really come. I purchased both separately. It's from the Hearth and Hand collection, and I really like it. And then this is a swig cup that I also got recently for my coffee, and I love it. Best day ever. I do love this one. And last, right now, but not least, is this little narwhal. Alright, so I also found these two. and they are unicorn mugs. This one is so beautiful. This mug alone costs me so much money. It's the most expensive mug I own. So I will be keeping this one. And this one is also adorable. I will be giving away this one and this one, you guys. So over here, this is the little pile that I'm giving away or donating, or I don't know what I'm doing. And that's what I'm keeping. So, I mean, I think it's okay. Maybe around Christmas or whatever, in another 5 to 6 months, I will donate even more. But for now, these are the ones that I will be donating so far. Alright, you guys, so this is how it looks like. All organized and put together like this. Let me go all the way up to show you up close. So these are it. I have a little chihuahua, a little marshmallow kind of s'mores cup, and the Grinch. And then over here I have Jack Skellington and a sugar skull all the way at the very top, back. Another skull and some kitties, Chucky all the way in the very back, and then you can tell that I have a lot more space in between.